Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And we're out of radios to review. If you have any radios you'd like me to review, please put them in a comment, and I'll see if I can get them. And so I was looking for other things I could do, and I found a website that's probably been around a long time, and I just wasn't aware of it. And this is a website with listings of shortwave stations, similar to the other one that I use. And this one's pretty unique and looks like it's got some good information. It gives you many ways you can look at the data by a station, by language, target area, band, and time. Or you can just type in a frequency. And then this is the default when you go to shortwave.live. Right there. And it's an extensive listing. Shows you the frequency, the station name, transmitter site, language, target area, start and stop time, and days. But here's China Radio at 6100. I didn't even know it was on 6100. That's interesting. Target area is North Africa. Okay, let's go up here and choose a target area. See what let's see, we want North America. And then we'll say find. And there's Toronto. I'm not sure what that is. That's way down on the bottom of the band. Look at all these stations. And people are telling me there's nothing on shortwave anymore. Well, there's a lot less, but there's still plenty out there. There's WBCQ. Oh, there's even a military frequency. That's interesting. I'm coming up with some things I can start listing for. There's the Coast Guard out of New Orleans. Wow, that's a long list. WBCQ, WTWW out of Tennessee. Usually that's where the preacher man comes from. Well, his recordings, he's long gone. And I'm only up to 6 megahertz. Wow. Oh, pirate listings. I haven't listened to pirate stations in a long time. Well, there's a lot there. Unfortunately, conditions where I live haven't been very good. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. So reception has been pretty poor, but it will get better. It's finally getting warm here in Clearwater, Florida. Okay, that's enough of showing you that. Again, this is the website, shortwave.live. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Bye-bye.